is a 12-piece 3/8 of an inch professional color-coded socket and spanner set from CK. The set comes in a sturdy case with 2 clip fasteners and an EVA inlay for secure tool storage. The set includes 5 color-coded combination spanners, 5 color-coded 12-point sockets, an extension, and a reversible 72-teeth ratchet with a push-button release mechanism. All of the tools are made of forged chrome-vandium steel for superior strength and durability. Moreover, thanks to the sure drive design, the torque is applied to the flat side of the nut rather on the corner, and as a result, rounding off is avoided. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it? We have it.